हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेरिडियन ओवरसीज। अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।
Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Visa and Immigration Updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. Many see Canada as the land of milk and honey as the quality of life is high, and importantly, they possess one of the leading healthcare systems in the world. Nurses form the backbone of this important industry, and to study nursing in Canada is highly competitive. Many universities give admission priority to local students as there is such a high influx of applicants. But as an international student, you are still able to enter into programs at some of the country's leading schools. Applicants that can show that they are well-rounded with a high GPA can secure one of these highly coveted spots. Almost 8.5% of the total registered nurses in Canada are foreign nationals, and they earn upwards of $150,000 per year. But the application process can become costly with registration fees and other hidden costs that you might not plan on. Therefore, it is crucial to do your homework well in advance and consider all the pros and cons of studying nursing in Canada before making up your mind. Know the requirements before studying nursing in Canada. Nurses in Canada fall under three groups. The first of these is registered nurses, RN. To become an RN, you will need to complete a 4-year bachelor's degree at an institution that grants degrees. This includes degrees such as B.Sc. in nursing and Bachelor's of Nursing. There are exceptions to this 4-year rule. The University of Toronto offers a 2-year course, but to qualify, you should have completed at least 10 credits at a university previously. This is called second degree entry or compressed BSCN. These credits need to include courses in subjects such as physics or humanities. After studying nursing in Canada for 4 years, you can specialize even further to become a nurse practitioner, NP. The second grouping is LPN, licensed practical nurses. This only requires you to complete 4 semesters, 2 years, of school, and you will only be equipped to handle patients with uncomplicated matters. You can assess more complicated matters and evaluate which higher professional they would need to seek help from. Thirdly, registered psychiatric nursing, RPN, is a specialized course that is only available at a handful of schools around the country. Research schools in Canada. As Canada has 10 provinces, you will need to look closely at the regulations for each state. Most students look to study nursing in Canada because they would like to pursue a career after completing their studies. The regions in Canada all have different legislation regarding working there, and you need to see where it would be best suited for you. Canada also has extreme weather conditions in many areas, and you need to be sure that you can adapt to climate change effectively. Studying nursing in Canada is demanding, and the last thing you need is an onset of seasonal affective disorder. Canada also has many French-speaking areas, and this might benefit you if French is a language you are familiar with. You should then look into heading to a more French-dominated region like Quebec. Meet the requirements for studying nursing in Canada. At a high school level, you are expected to have taken English and mathematics, but you will also need to prove your proficiency in English with IELTS or TOEFL test results. The University of Saskatchewan's College of Nursing requires a score of at least 90 on your TOEFL. Their IELTS requirement is equally demanding. You need a 7.0. Some schools have lower IELTS requirements to study nursing in Canada. Dalhousie University and the University of Ottawa only requires a 6.5. Similarly, the TOEFL requirements are vastly different. The University of Toronto requires a score of 100, while McMaster University only requires 86. Prepare to meet the cost of tuition. The cost of tuition in Canada is notoriously high and might often exceed that of your native country's tuition. That being said, the quality of education is superb, and the practical experience in their hospitals is second to none. Their tuition ranges from around $40,000 up to $150,000 for the whole program. Tuition depends on the location of your school as well as the size of the classes and demand for the course. McMaster University has some of the lowest tuition fees, and for international students, the price is around $1,000 per unit. Nursing students also have extra costs such as uniforms that need to be taken into account. At the upper end of the spectrum is a school such as Western University in London, Ontario. Here tuition is $45,500 per year. Prepare your application. It is vital to prepare your application with great care to be able to study nursing in Canada. There are thousands of students applying for the same spot, and at many schools, Canadian nationals are given preferential treatment. The University of Toronto has one of the top nursing schools in the world and offers webinars and information sessions to guide you through the strenuous application process. There is a long list of documents you will need to prepare, and failing to do due diligence may result in your application being denied. This includes necessary high school transcripts, immunization forms, police checks, and N95 mask fitting numbers. The University of British Columbia also requires a CASPER exam to be taken after your application has been submitted. Apply to nursing schools. It is important to get your applications in early and avoid any last-minute blunders. Canadian school years run from September to June, and you will apply well before spring to start your studies in the fall. At the University of Calgary, for example, applications for fall open on October. There are often multiple deadlines for applications, supplementary exams, and interviews. This process also comes at a cost that needs to be paid along with your application. McGill University has an application fee of $92, and this fee is also non-refundable. Thus, the application process itself can become costly, as you will pay on average $100 per application. Budget for the application process over and above your studies. Once you get accepted, apply for a student visa. To study nursing in Canada, you will be granted a Canadian study permit. Upon being accepted, you will need a letter of acceptance from your university to accompany your application. If you are going to study nursing in Quebec, you will also need a CAC, Quebec Acceptance Certificate, from the local government. The Citizenship and Immigration Canada, CIC, website supplies a full list of required documents that need to be submitted. You can apply by paper or online, but the online method is much faster and also recommended. The cost of this permit is $150, and in some cases, you might need to do an in-person interview at your local Canadian embassy. All of this needs to be taken into account, as it can get costly and take some time to get everything arranged. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.